The 2026 Nissan Navara is arrived with a clear purpose. A design and engineering update is brought by the 2026 Nissan Navara, making the long-running name tougher and more capable. The Nissan Navara is felt to be ready for work. The D27 iteration is stepped forward as an updated dual-cab ute. The foundations used for the D27 iteration are shared with the Mitsubishi Triton. The dual-cab ute is noticed to be built on the same frame as the Mitsubishi Triton. Parts are brought by the partnership. A 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine producing 150 kilowatts and 470 newton-meters is brought by the partnership. The super four-wheel drive architecture is brought by the partnership. The sheet metal, including the doors, roof, tub, and bonnet, is also brought by the partnership. With this mechanical link, a direction set by a major suspension tuning program with Premcar is followed by the Navara. Damper setups in 3 configurations, but not the upcoming Warrior version, are created by the engineering team behind the Warrior editions. Ride, stability, and load-carrying control are given to the D27 by the dampers. The Navara is noticed to respond to these damper setups. The shift back to leaf springs is noticed to copy the Triton layout. 2 options are offered by the Navara, a 3-leaf arrangement and a heavier 4-leaf setup. A long-standing weakness of the coil-sprung D23 model is thought to be fixed by the redesign. The old coil-sprung D23 model was seen to sag under payload even after updates across its life cycle. Performance and structural issues have been seen with the D23. Popularity was lost by the D23 as rivals upgraded more quickly. A change in the story is thought to be attempted by the new D27. A modern look, mechanical base, and features that meet today's expectations are offered by the new D27. A fascia distinct from the Triton is put forward by the design change. The front is led by a big V-strut grille. Inspiration for the V-strut grille is drawn from modified utility vehicles observed by Nissan's global design team during field studies. Numerous V-shaped patterns are seen on the grille, and a 3-slot element above it is seen to show the D21 influence from the mid-1980s. The linked C-shaped LED headlights and tail lamps are seen to use methods inspired by carpentry. Craft is seen to be mixed into these lighting elements. Metal panels are used by the platform partner. The Navara front-end styling, lighting design, and large tailgate letters are noticed to give the vehicle a uniquely Navara identity. Lava red highlights, a sports bar, 17-inch alloy wheels with 265/65 R17 all-terrain tires, and a standard tow bar are added to the exterior of the Pro 4X model. The Navara ute is made longer and wider than before. A 1,555mm tray is provided. An additional 46mm of usable space is given. The tray is allowed to fit the side of a Euro pallet between the wheel arches. A preview of the Navara Warrior concept has been seen, and the direction of the platform's future was shown by that preview. A tough appearance is thought to be given to the Navara Warrior concept. A more extreme lifted, widened, and reinforced setup for heavy terrain will be given to the concept. The Warrior nameplate will be kept for the production version. A strong following has been held by the Warrior nameplate since 2019. Inside the cabin, space and new technology are seen. An increase of 29mm in front shoulder room is noticed. An increase of 42mm in rear legroom is noticed. Comfortable layout for long trips is found inside the cabin. A 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is placed in the center of the dashboard. DAB radio, wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, and quick access touch controls are provided by the 9.0-inch system. A 7.0-inch display is placed in the instrument cluster. Vehicle information is shown by the 7.0-inch display. Wireless phone charging in the instrument panel is seen on higher-grade variants, such as STX and Pro 4X. Services relevant for current times are provided by the My Nissan Navara app. Air conditioning activation, vehicle tracking, emergency calling, and remote locking or unlocking are enabled by the app. A wider range of features is now included in the safety package. 8 airbags, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and traffic sign recognition are added by the safety package. Front and rear cross-traffic alerts are added as well. Cruise control, LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, high beams, a driver attention monitoring camera, and an emergency assist function that prevents incorrect pedal use are also added. Power is seen to come from the 2.4-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed ASIN transmission, and the combination is seen to provide the torque needed for heavy tasks. Fuel consumption is rated at 7.7 liters per 100 kilometers. Electric power steering is used to help reduce fuel usage. Towing capacity is seen to reach 3,500 kilograms braked and 750 kilograms unbraked. These numbers are matched with the standards of the dual-cab segment. The Navara range is divided into 2 drive system categories. The entry-level variants are equipped with the easy 4-wheel drive setup. Switching between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive when extra traction is needed is done by the easy 4-wheel drive setup. The operation of easy 4-wheel drive is made similar to the Triton's Easy Select system. 2-wheel drive is required on certain surfaces by the Triton Easy Select system. Super 4-wheel drive is used by the upper trims. The Super 4-wheel drive system is based on the Super Select 2 design, a Torsen limited slip center differential, and 7 terrain modes: normal, eco, gravel, snow, mud, sand, and rock are included. Operation on sealed and unsealed surfaces is enabled by the Super 4-wheel drive system. Versatility and stability are expanded when weather or terrain changes. Help during slippery conditions is noticed to be provided by the Super 4-wheel drive system. Ownership benefits are given, including a warranty lasting up to 10 years or 300,000 kilometers when servicing is done at the brand's network. 5 years of capped price servicing are given. Up to 10 years of roadside assistance are also given. With its renewed platform, tuned suspension, larger cabin, bold styling cues, expanded safety systems, and modern connectivity, a far more focused and capable Ute is delivered by the D27 Nissan Navara. A strengthened identity, combined with rugged engineering and improved daily comfort, is positioned to mark a serious return to form.